Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. So today we're going to revise English 2017 paper 2. This should be GCE, yes. This is GCE. Okay, GCE, and we are going to answer section 1 and section 2. Okay, section 1 and section 2. So now, section 1 and section 2, or part 1 of this English paper, is 20 marks. But section 1 is 10 marks. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right in. So the instruction reads, there are 20 items in this section, and for each sentence, you are required to replace the underlined word or words with words of similar meaning or synonyms provided in the box below. Here, these. Write your answers in the blank spaces provided as shown in the example. Okay, so we are given 20 words, okay, 20 vocabularies, and we are asked to use these to answer the questions, the 20 questions that follow. The first one is an example. So they're saying, this is genuine leather. This is genuine leather, or genuine. So genuine means authentic. So this one is an example. So this one has been used. Okay, now the other ones, let me just run you through the meaning of these before we answer their questions. So to infringe is to go against, okay, to go against or violating, violation of somebody's rights, something like that. So is to go against or violating somebody's rights. All right. To enroll is to be registered. To enroll, to be registered. For example, in universities or colleges, you can get enrolled for a certain program. Okay. Then psych means mind, okay, spirit, or soul. So this one has to do with psychology, because there's mind, okay, it has to do with mind, spirits, and also the human soul. All right. Get rid of. To get rid of something is to discard or to dispose of. Okay, to dispose of. Ongoing, this one means continuing or in progress. Okay, continuing or in progress. Diversify. So to diversify is to start including other means. All right, other means, or to vary. Now, this is usually, for example, the government. If the government is diversifying, let's say there is the government, the many economic activity is, let's say, mining. When the government says is diversifying to agriculture, is saying they will also start including agriculture, not leaving mining to to agriculture. No, they start including. So agriculture will be the second economic sector. All right. So to diversify it means to start including other means. To review To review is to make something which is not known, all right, to somebody. This is usually associated with secrets. Okay, all right. Authentic, genuine, original. Surpass. To surpass is to exceed. All right, exceed or to be greater than someone. All right. Okay. Sophisticated. The word sophisticated, it means complex. All right, complex. Vigor. Vigor means that vigor means strength or in good health. All right. Broke up. This is ending something, usually a relationship or marriage. Okay. Broke up, to separate. Acknowledge. This is the receipt of something. All right. Adjacent to means next to. All right, next to. Attire. This is the official or formal dressing. Usually sports attire. Okay, like school uniform. Okay, or any other attire, but usually sports attire. Fortnight. Fortnight is a period of 2 weeks. Surveillance. Surveillance, it means putting someone under a close watch, like CCTV, surveillance cameras. All right, putting someone under a close watch, usually a criminal or a spy. Amiable. An amiable person is a person who is easy to talk to, person who is kind, all right, charming. Mobility is the ability to walk. That is mobility. All right. Disposed of is to discard or to get rid of something. Okay. Contemporary, it means happening at the same time. All right, happening at the same time. Let's now go through the questions. All right. The first one, of course, is saying, after the examination, he got rid of all the old books. After the examination, he got rid of all the old books. The underlined word is got rid of. Okay? To got rid of, it means disposed of. Disposed of. So this is the answer to the first question. Disposed of. The second question, all the grade 12 learners should come in their sports dress. Should come in their sports dress. The word dress is the underlined one. So this one is attire. Okay, like I mentioned. You see, it will be now easy because I've explained the meaning of these vocabularies. 3. That girl always exceeds her classmates in mathematics. So exceeds. To exceed is to surpass. So number 3 is this one. Then number 4. Who disclosed that secret to you? Who disclosed that secret to you? The underlined word is disclosed. To disclose is to review. So number 4 is review. Number 5, his rights were violated when he was in prison. His rights were violated when he was in prison. Violated. This one is infringed. Number 5. Infringed. Number 6. The police are investigating a complex murder case. The police are investigating a complex murder case. The underlined word is complex. So it's sophisticated. Number 6 is sophisticated. Number 7, After a period of 14 days, we write a test. The underlined word is a period of 14 days, which is fortnight. This is number 7. Okay, that is answer to number 7. Now, in the exam, you answer in the answer spaces, in the blank spaces provided, okay, as shown. All right, I'm just doing this. I don't want to waste much of the time writing. Okay, number 8. Our house is next to the post office. Next to, adjacent to. This is number 8. Adjacent to. Number 9. Mirongo was born in the same year as me, and he is therefore my equal or age mate. So this one is happening at the same time. So this is contemporary. This is number 9. Contemporary. Number 10. Mutinta has enlisted for a medical degree at the University of Zambia. Enlisted. Is he? Enroll. Enrolled. Number 10. Enrolled. 11. Mutinta. No, 11. They sang the national anthem with strength. They sang the national anthem with strength. So the underlined word is strength, which is vigor. Vigor. This is number 11. Let's go to number 12. The police and his parents have put him under a close watch so that he does not join a gang of criminals. Remember what I said about surveillance? Surveillance is putting someone under a close observation so that they, especially a criminal or a spy. So this is the answer to question 12. Surveillance. Number 13. The teacher will give us a test to psychologically prepare us for the final examination. The underlined word is psychologically prepare. To psychologically prepare is to psych, because this one has to do with the mind, the soul, and the spirit. So the answer to question 13 is psych. Number 14. He is an easy and pleasant to talk to person. He is an easy and pleasant to talk to person. So the underlined word is easy and pleasant to talk to. Amiable. This is number 14. Amiable. Number 15. You need to do away with bad table manners. You need to do away with bad table manners. To discard, to get rid of. So the answer is get rid of. This is number 15. We have 5 more. Her legs are crippled, and as such, her movement has been hampered greatly. The underlined word is movement. Movement is mobility. So this is the answer to question 16. All right. 17. They separated last year. As such, they are no longer husband and wife. They separated. The word is separated. To separate is to separate is to break up. All right. So now this is the past tense. Is separated. So this is the answer, which is answer to question 17. Okay. 18. The investigations are still in the process. The investigation are still in the process. So in the process, meaning ongoing. Ongoing. In the process, ongoing. So number 18 is ongoing. Ongoing. Number 19, yes. I wish to confirm the receipt of your letter. I wish to confirm the receipt of your letter. I wish to acknowledge the receipt of your letter. So this is the answer to number 19. If you had 20 vocabularies here, this one was an example, then you've written all 19. Then the last one is the answer to the last question, which is diversify. But let's read through the statement. We need to broaden our economy so that we do not rely on copper production alone. Broaden, to start including other. So it is diversify, which is the answer to question 20. Okay, guys. So the only way you can be good at vocabularies is by going through every day. You learn one new word every day, and start using them. Another tip or another advice I can give you is that when you are going through past papers as a grade 10 candidate or grade 8, grade 10, grade 11 or grade 12, before you write your exam, when going through, you can use your past papers as the way of improving vocabularies, because those questions they ask in the exam are very, very important. Okay, start using them in everyday life. Okay, start using them. Like here, what they say, fortnight, you learn fortnight as a period of 14 days, which is 2 weeks. You start using that vocabulary. When you start using that vocabulary, it will be easy. Surveillance, putting someone under close watch, usually a spy or a criminal, or just like a camera, CCTV, those cameras. They're just easy. Go through. You can't learn all 20 vocabularies in a day. Okay, when you're starting, no. Start with 1, 2. You're just improving. Okay, you're just improving. So these are the solutions to part 1 of English paper 2. English paper 2 of 2017 GCA. All right, let's go to part 2, which are transformations or rewrites.